Hey guys, welcome back to InfoTech. Today in this video we will see the concept of conditional statements. In conditional statements we have if else, ELIF, nested if else. We will see this concept by doing this example. In this example we are calculating the grade based on marks entered by the user. We have set of instructions. Based on that we need to calculate the grade. If the marks we entered is less than 40, then the candidate is failed. If the marks greater than or equal to 40 and less than 60, then the grade is C. If the marks entered greater than or equal to 60 and less than 75, then the grade is B. Or else, if the marks greater than 75, then the grade is A. We need to follow these set of instructions while writing the code. Now we will write the code. First I will write the code and later on I will explain. While writing the code, we need to be careful while entering the indentation spaces. By following the given set of instructions, we are writing the code. Yeah, we are done with writing the code. Now we need to save this file. Click on save, click on save as. Now we need to give a file name. We'll give any file name, marks.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name dot with the extension py, we have enter. Then click on save. Yeah, file is saved. We got this Python file also. And later on we need to execute this code by opening the command prompt. Type cmd to open command prompt, enter, and we need to give path cd space desktop, enter, dictionary dir, enter. Now give the file name which we have given, marks.py, extension py, enter. Now we need to enter marks, suppose 70, B grade. Now we will do once again file name.py. Now we will enter 40, C grade. I will copy and paste the code, paste the output. Yeah, we have pasted, and this is the output based on this code. Now I will explain the code. In the first line of code, enter marks. This is the statement we are getting in the output C. Enter marks. Then we need to enter marks. Now I will explain the code. First line of code is used to enter marks by the user. And the second line of code, it will check whether the marks is less than 40. If the conditional statement is true, then it will print fail. Or else, we have to use ELIF. Then it will check if the marks greater than or equal to 40, and this is the AND operator, and n less than 60. If the both the statements are true, then it will give true. Basically, AND operator will give if the both statements are true, only the output is true. If the one statement is true and another statement is false, then it will give false. Here, we have to use AND operator to check whether the two statements is true or not. If the both statements are true, then it will print C grade. Or else, we have to use ELIF n greater than or equal to 60 and n less than 75. If both the statements are true, then it will print B grade. Or else, if marks greater than 75, then it will print A grade. In this way, we need to calculate the grade based on marks given by the user. And we will get output like this. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. I will try to explain once again. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is clear. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and subscribe. And click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any coding video in my channel. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep smiling.